It is dangerous to allow ferocious animals like lions to roam freely in a city. It is equally hazardous to let ferocious applications, malware, or other malicious software roam unchecked within an IT network or infrastructure. Here's why. User safety and data protection. Just as lions pose a direct threat to human safety, malware and rogue applications pose a serious threat to user data. In a network, these malicious entities can prey on sensitive information, such as personal data, financial records, or intellectual property. Once inside, they can steal, corrupt, or manipulate critical information, leading to data breaches, financial loss, or identity theft. Without proper defenses, like firewalls and antivirus programs, users are left vulnerable, much like unprotected citizens in a city filled with predators. Disruption of operations. Allowing malware to roam freely in an IT infrastructure is akin to having a lion wander through a city. It disrupts normal operations. Businesses depend on stable and secure networks to function efficiently. Malware can disrupt services by hijacking servers, locking users out of systems in a ransomware attack, or flooding the network with traffic, DDoS attacks. These disruptions can bring an organization to a halt, resulting in lost productivity, revenue, and trust. Unfamiliar environment. Just like cities are not a natural habitat for lions, an IT network is not a natural place for rogue applications. When malware or unregulated software enters a network, it behaves unpredictably. These malicious programs can exploit vulnerabilities, open backdoors, or spread across systems in ways that traditional defenses may not expect. The network, unprepared to handle such attacks, becomes an unsafe and unstable environment for both users and administrators. Harm to infrastructure. Cities pose dangers to lions, cars, pollution, and confined spaces are harmful to them. Similarly, malware roaming within an IT network can harm the infrastructure itself. Viruses can corrupt or delete critical files, and malicious applications can degrade system performance, overload servers, or cause hardware failures. Over time, the integrity of the entire network infrastructure is compromised, leading to costly repairs, downtime, and system failures. Let's look at legal and compliance risks. Just as laws exist to keep dangerous animals away from public spaces, regulatory frameworks and laws like GDPR or HIPAA exist to protect sensitive data and IT systems from harmful threats. Allowing malware or unverified applications to roam freely could lead to legal consequences, including fines and penalties for failing to secure customer data properly. Ignoring these security responsibilities can be as reckless as allowing dangerous animals to wander freely in public spaces, putting both the organization and its customers at risk. Fear and panic among users. If malware is allowed to roam free, the consequences can create panic among users, just as a lion roaming the streets would terrify citizens. A compromised network creates uncertainty and fear among employees and customers. Users lose trust in the system, fearing that their data may have been stolen or their devices infected. This erodes confidence in the organization, causing reputational damage that can take years to rebuild. Let's consider the impact on the IT ecosystem. Lions in a city would disrupt the local ecosystem by preying on smaller animals and creating imbalance. Similarly, malware can disrupt the entire IT ecosystem by affecting connected systems, devices, and services. Malware can spread rapidly across networks, infecting other devices and systems, much like a contagion, and weakening the entire ecosystem. It can also open doors for more threats, making the network an attractive target for cybercriminals. In conclusion, just as cities must be protected from wild animals to ensure the safety of people and infrastructure, IT networks must be safeguarded from malicious software and unauthorized applications. Cybersecurity measures, such as firewalls, antivirus programs, access controls, and threat monitoring. Act as the digital equivalent of fences, animal control, and wildlife sanctuaries, keeping threats contained and away from critical assets. By preventing ferocious malware from roaming freely in your network, you not only protect your infrastructure, but also ensure a secure environment for your users, data, and operations. Thanks for watching! Like and subscribe to CyberFrontierNetwork for more videos.